Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful weekend. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'll try to do the total market cap of all cryptos to see what is going to happen to the market. I'm also going to show you how now Bitcoin and the crypto markets are in one of the longest bear markets they've ever been in, approaching 490 days. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technical analysis, and Bitcoin is stable coining again. After these big drops, we just have like periods of stable coining like we did, like we've done this entire last 2 months. After this drop, it's just stable coin like this. After drop, slowly fade down. Here, fade down, drop, and big drop here. Volume is starting to pick up, but that's good. That means there's buying pressure here. But we are on a major support. But it does look like Bitcoin is going to fall to 25,200. When we go closer on the daily, we're oversold. 4 hourly, we're oversold. And there is some spikes in volume, which is interesting. But you can see here, Bitcoin's range is very small. We're coming down to around 25,760. And the top of this little range is 26,300. So we have a $600 range on Bitcoin. The trade I would still take will be after Bitcoin wicks down here, because I do think it will come down again, because we're having this B wave bounce and then C wave correction. So we should expect that we'll get a big bounce from here, 25,200, and that's where I'll take a long again. Why? Because it's that in the last 2 years, that was a major area of support. You can see here back in 2022, we touched this area in 2022, 25,000, and we touched it here in 2023, February, before dropping to 19K and then before that big rally. So I do think this is the place I'll go long on Bitcoin. 4 hourly oversold, turning to head up. We could get a slight pump here, recovery pump. It is the weekend though, but again, the major support is at this 25,200. So that's the safest place to be going long. I'd open a long from here, stop loss just underneath, and take profit bouncing back. 7.3 risk to reward ratio trade. Risking opening the trade 25,193, the gray line. Stop loss 25,027, the red line. 26,406 is the profit taking, green line. So I'm risking it's 7.3 risk to reward ratio, risking $166 to make $1,200 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $12,000 profits. 100x leverage, $120,000 profits. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin when it pulls back to 25,193. But then I will exit on the bounce and even short the B bounce back down to possibly even 20K. So I'm just expecting a small bounce into resistance and then pulling back even further on Bitcoin. That's Bitcoin. Tesla pumped 3.7% yesterday. Everything else pretty stable. Ethereum, also trade set up on Ethereum will be at these major support areas, which is down here. I'd move this trade down to the support. We touched it once. There's no real good news. We are in a bear market. More than likely, we will touch it again. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. Trade opens on the gray line, 1461. Stop loss is 1413, the red line, and take profit is the green line, 2,200. 16 risk to reward ratio, risking $48 to make $796 with no leverage. 10x, $7,960. 100x would be $79,000. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. Let's go into the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies now. The entire market. Let's look at the entire market. So now we're going to the entire market of cryptos. We broke this 1 year trend line on this gray line. Big supports. We're on a major support line here. We're getting, but no real bounce. Next support, 935 billion. Support under that, 820 billion. Most likely we will get a big bounce off this 930 billion, but that is a 7% drop on the crypto markets. Again, we broke this orange trend line, so it is showing weakness. Major support is at 936 billion. That's where I would be going long. If you want to trade Bitcoin like you saw me do under the video, 1, learn how to set up your charts and trade the way you saw me do. 2, trading on Bybit, this exchange. You get a $30,000 bonus when you meet their trading requirements. It's the second biggest exchange. It's never gone down. I really like Bybit. 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading. It's free Telegram trading and talking. All investors trading and talking together. The links are all under the video. Also, this is Bitcoin price year-on-year change. And you can see in 2015 we had a 386-day bear market, 2019 204-day bear market, 2020 a 37-day bear market, that big drop. And since the bear market started this time, we've had 490-day bear market on Bitcoin, the longest Bitcoin bear market that we've recorded so far. This is the longest Bitcoin bear market recorded so far. That's my updates on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the total market cap of all cryptos. Not looking so good. We need stabilization and we need big bounce backs. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell, and learn all of this in the crypto master course. 10,000 students. You'll learn how to open trades, how to trade, how to read charts, how to set up your charts, how to set up the bots. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.